versus Christopher Lee Gibson, case number SP174-9171. Appearance for the record, please.
Lee Gibson.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
I'm in court, okay?
Gaston, you gotta be quiet, please. All right. I don't think this is his first time. I don't see anything in the file.
The deal is on the table. Will he take the plea to resolve this quickly?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to enter a plea. That plea will be taken under a delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Honor.
Yeah, you know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Now, let me draw your attention back to June the 29th, 2025, around 12 a.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Wheelock and Lafayette Boulevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some? Did you have some alcohol with you, sir?
Yeah, I had a shot in my cup.
A shot in your
Double cup, double shot. Yeah.
Double shot.
Yes, Your Honor.
What kind of alcohol was that?
Tequila.
The judge is surprised. A future Marine? This changes everything.
Everybody's got tequila, huh?
Yeah, I was celebrating. I was going into Marine Corps, sir.
You going in the Marine Corps?
Yes, sir. I'm supposed to leave September 8th.
And that was an early celebration. What, you just got notified then?
Well, my date got postponed because I had the court case.
Right. You might have to stop that drinking the tequila once you get in the Marine Corps, you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't know if that's a rule or not. I know they probably do a lot of drinking like they do in college. But all right, congratulations on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find, were you out in public when you were drinking that out on the street?
Yes, I was drinking in front of my father's house, sir. I actually had walked out the gate and they got me in the street.
And when do you go for the? When do you leave for your tour of duty?
I leave September 8th and I'll be in South Carolina September 9th.
And you didn't want to set a trial date for this?
I didn't know if I could set a trial date before that or not. So since I had court today, I was just going to try and take care of it because I was supposed to leave August 5th and my original court case was August 1st. And then they postponed it till today. The court case till today.
The judge pauses. He needs to talk to the prosecutor about this.
You want to speak to Ms. Snyder about this, Ms. Harris?
After a tense wait, the prosecutor returns with a plan.
Doesn't matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Ms. Harris. Are you there, Ms. Harris?
I am.
What's going to be, did you speak to Ms. Snyder about Mr. Gibson? Mr. Gibson?
I did, Your Honor. I don't believe the city would have an objection to setting a trial for September 5th. I did just attempt to pull, oh, she's back.
I'm back.
The judge makes it official. A trial is set.
All right. You want to set a trial date, September 5th? The young man says he's about to go and serve our country in United States Marine Corps. He was celebrating, he indicated, but I don't see any other issues that he's had at all. I don't think.
I'll send a subpoena to the officer right now for the 5th. And if there's any issues with furlough or some kind of medical leave, I'll reach out to the court and Attorney Harris immediately.
Come back on the 5th of September, okay? 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Me, Your Honor?
Yes, September
9 a.m.?
5th. Yes, there's nothing further. Best of luck to you.
A young man named Christopher Gibson appeared in court over a public drinking charge after celebrating his acceptance into the United States Marines with tequila outside his father's house in Detroit. During the hearing, he agreed to take a plea deal under a delayed sentence, admitting he had been drinking in public, but explained that his military departure date had already been postponed because of the case. The judge, surprised that Gibson was preparing to serve in the Marines, questioned him about his future plans and acknowledged that this seemed like an isolated mistake rather than a pattern of bad behavior. Wanting to avoid damaging the young man's opportunity to serve his country, the judge consulted with the prosecutor and ultimately arranged a trial date just before Gibson's scheduled departure for boot camp in South Carolina. The hearing ended on a positive note, with the judge wishing him luck and showing compassion by giving him a fair chance to resolve the case without ruining his future career in the military.